How to install an LG refrigerator. To ensure optimum performance, safety, and long-term reliability, please follow these instructions when choosing your refrigerator's location. Water. If the refrigerator has a water dispenser or automatic ice maker, install the refrigerator close to a potable water line with water pressure from 20 to 120 psi. If you have low water pressure below 20 psi, install a booster pump. Refer to your refrigerator owner's manual for complete, detailed instructions on connecting a water line to your refrigerator. Use an individual grounded outlet for 115 volts, 60 Hz, AC, and 15 amps minimum. Flooring. To avoid noise and vibration, place the refrigerator on a solid, even floor. Then, level it using the leveling legs and make sure the doors are aligned. The unit should be tilted slightly backward to ensure that the doors close properly. LG does not recommend installing on carpeting, soft tile surfaces, a platform, or weakly supported structure. Ambient temperature. To ensure proper freezing and cooling, install the refrigerator in an area where the temperature is between 55 degrees Fahrenheit, 13 degrees Celsius, and 110 degrees Fahrenheit, 43 degrees Celsius. Choose a location that will allow at least 2 inches, 50.8 millimeters, of space behind and around the unit for connections and airflow. Also, be sure not to place the unit near a hot water heater, oven, or large sunny windows. With proper installation and maintenance, your LG refrigerator should provide you with years of trouble-free operation. Learn more at lg.com.